Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. So as you can already tell, we're going to be making some Christmas cookies. Now I thought this would be fun. Also, disclaimer, I did buy some other cookies as well, just to make sure that there was enough. Not only that, I have tonsillitis. So I've not long, literally, I've probably been back an hour. It's 11 o'clock. I just got back from the doctor's. And yeah, I've got tonsillitis. So please ignore my voice. I don't know how it's going to sound. If it sounds terrible, please ignore it. And you probably will break and stuff. But yeah, let's get on into this video. A lot's changed in my kitchen actually since you last seen it. So I actually have a larder cupboard where everything is kept now in here. We need to go get the mixer and stuff out, so I will quickly show it to you. It's pretty cool, but you have to ignore the noise. I've got the washing machine on where everything is kept. A lot of this, some of this isn't mine. So I need my scales and this. That was my phone. I get kids, the best we're gonna get. Okay, so which one are we gonna do first? I think we should do this one first. So this is the baking mix. You also get icing, I believe, too, and bits to decorate, yeah. So the red and the green icing, which is pretty cool. Oh, and you get like little snowflakes. Ideal to make on Christmas Eve. Well, we're making them before Christmas Eve. And you should make 6 delicious cookies. Okay, cool. So I haven't got the right glass on with this. Let's just do the mixture into the bowl. So I'm gonna add the butter into the mixing. And then I'm probably going to put music over this because nobody wants to hear this sound, and I also have butter now on me. Are you kidding me? I've got to like needle it and... So this to me looks kind of creamy. Whoops. Welcome to my channel where everything goes wrong, especially when it comes to baking in this kitchen. I look like such a bad cook thanks to this. I'm actually not. Can we just put that out there? I'm actually normally good. I don't know what it is. Every time I do one of these videos, it goes to pot. I don't know if it's because I'm not concentrating, or what it is, but yeah, it's just not gonna work for me. Okay, go and put this in the fridge and just see what happens. Hopefully we can't mess this up. So stir the cookie mixture into together with water until you have a stiff dough. Okay, so you need to preheat the oven. And my battery's flashing. Great, let me wash these. I'll change my battery and we'll be back. Oh, battery. Yay. So, oh my god, I need to do some water. I've had it so many times, it's ridiculous, and they still won't take it out. I literally feel like I want to take it out myself, but I'm not going to, obviously. Okay, so stir the cookie mixture with the water until you have a stiff. Okay, so we need 30 milliliters. Oh, it smells good. Oh. This now looks good to me. And now you just have to spoon it out onto the tray. I don't know how many this will actually make. I'm going to bring you guys over and show you in a second. The cookies have been in for another 5 minutes. And they look a little browner. They're still quite soft, but I think they're done. The dough is a lot better than first. Roll out the dough. Then knead it. Rolling pin, just a little bit of flour on it. Wow, that is like butter. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. In it, it's just creamy, literally, just creamy. I don't know what I've done to this mixture, but I don't think there's any saving it. But I'm struggling to get it off. Oh my god. It's literally just like butter. I don't know whether I put too much in, but my scale said 30. I don't know. I just feel like there's no way I can save this. I'm so sorry, I'm getting emails and I thought my phone was on silent. Yeah, I just think this is a flop. Because just look, like, I just can't. And even when it's on here, like with flour, it's just spreading. Let me bend this and I will show you this top. See this? So this is what it looks like. Literally, like, even if you try to pick it up, like butter. I feel like I need to just do a little section on my channel of cookies, like cooking with Mel that's gone wrong. These are the other cookies that I made. I'm gonna try it now. These are perfect. They're so warm in the middle still and gooey. One actual thing that didn't go wrong when it comes to baking, but the other ones did. Yeah, so that's it for Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you have enjoyed trying to make Christmas cookies, but we didn't. But yeah, so I just hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go and edit and rest. My throat is killing me and all I want to do is go and lie down and sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Get to do all that good stuff, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Yeah, anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.